Hey there! Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through folders on your computer, looking for that one important file you need? Well, you're not alone. Managing and organizing your digital files and documents can be a daunting task. But it doesn't have to be. Once again, we are back with another interesting video. We'll explore some solutions and tips for effective digital file management, starting with the importance of organizing your files and folders. Managing files. By taking the time to organize your digital files and documents, you'll save yourself time and frustration in the long run. Let's dive in and learn how to manage your data effectively. We all know how frustrating it can be to search for a file you need but can't find it because it's buried in a cluttered folder or has a random name. Organizing and naming your files properly is essential for efficient digital file management. Here are some tips for organizing your files and folders on your computer or device. Number 1. Create a hierarchy of folders that makes sense for your needs. For example, you could have a folder for work-related documents, another for personal files, and subfolders within those for specific projects or categories. Number 2. Use consistent and descriptive file names that make it easy to identify what the file contains. Avoid using generic names like Document1 or File2. Instead, use specific names that describe the content of the file, such as Project Proposal, ABC Company, May 2023. Number 3. Enhance searchability by using tags and metadata. Tags are keywords or labels that you can assign to a file, and metadata includes information about the file, such as the author, date created, and file type. Adding tags and metadata to your files can help you locate them more easily using search functions. In addition to these tips, there are also software and tools available that can help you manage your digital files more effectively. File management software like Trello or Evernote can help you organize your files and tasks, while image and video management software like Adobe Lightroom can help you manage your media files. By following these tips and utilizing the right tools, you can keep your digital files and documents organized and easily accessible. Planning is key. Take some time to implement these practices into your workflow, and you'll save time and reduce frustration in the long run. Using cloud storage. Now that we've talked about organizing your files and folders on your computer or device, let's dive into the benefits of using cloud storage options for managing your digital files and documents. Cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and iCloud provide many advantages over storing files on your computer or external hard drives. The key benefit is the ability to access your files from anywhere with an internet connection, making them easily shareable. Plus, if your computer crashes or your hard drive fails, your files are safe and secure in the cloud. It's important to organize your files and folders in the cloud just as you would on your computer or device. Create a folder hierarchy that makes sense for your needs, and use descriptive file names and tags to enhance searchability. Using cloud storage options can greatly simplify and streamline your digital file management. By integrating cloud storage into your workflow and utilizing its features effectively, you can access and share your files more efficiently and have peace of mind knowing your files are safe and secure. Best practices. There are some best practices you can follow to ensure your files are secure, protected, and easy to manage. One of the most important practices is regularly backing up your files to prevent loss. You can do this by using a cloud storage service, an external hard drive, or both. By backing up your files regularly, you can avoid losing important data in case of a computer crash or other issues. Another practice is to securely store sensitive information and data. This includes using strong and unique passwords, encrypting sensitive files, and avoiding storing sensitive data in easily accessible locations. Password managers like LastPass or 1Password can help you generate and manage strong passwords. Using antivirus and malware protection software is strongly encouraged. These programs can help detect and remove any viruses or malware that could harm your files or compromise your security. Lastly, it's important to incorporate digital file management into your workflow and daily routine. This includes regularly reviewing and organizing your files, deleting unnecessary files, and maintaining a consistent file naming convention. By making digital file management a habit, you can avoid clutter and ensure your files are easy to find and manage. In a world that is increasingly digital, effective file management is more important than ever. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who uses a computer, Having a system in place for organizing and managing your digital files is crucial. By following the tips and best practices we've discussed in this video, you can simplify your workflow, enhance searchability, and protect your files from loss or damage. Take the time to implement these strategies and make digital file management a habit. With a little effort and discipline, you can enjoy the benefits of efficient and effective digital file management and have peace of mind knowing your files are always secure and easily manageable. This was all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.